Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best PEX tool is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any plumber or DIY enthusiast working with PEX piping. This video will dive into the features, benefits, and considerations when choosing the right PEX tool for your plumbing projects, ensuring you get the best performance and reliability for your specific needs, whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior tackling home repairs. Number 5. iCRIMP PEX Tool Kit. It works with stainless steel clamps from any manufacturer, making PEX connections from 3/8" to 1" a breeze. It even works on single-ear hose clamps. This isn't just a cinching tool, it also removes clamps, letting you reuse pipe fittings. That's cost-effective and convenient. Made from high-quality steel using a forging process, it's built for a long service life. The precision machine jaws ensure a perfect fit. Switching between cinching and removing is easy. The ratcheting design and self-release mechanism make the whole process effortless. No calibration needed. Everything you need is included: the tool, a PEX cutter, and plenty of clamps in 1/2" and 3/4" sizes. Ready to get started right away. What we like. This kit has everything you need for PEX pipe installation, including the tool, clamps, and cutter. Its ratcheting design and self-release mechanism make cinching effortless. If you're a DIY enthusiast tackling a PEX plumbing project, this comprehensive kit is perfect for you. What people say. All the plumbing is PEX, so having spare clamps and a few feet of tubing comes in handy. They work very well and simple to use. This iCRIMP Ratchet PEX cinch tool really is an all-in-one tool kit. It included the cinch tool, pipe cutter, 2 sizes of pipe clamps, and instructions. I simply followed the how to printed on the card. I set the cinch to cut and remove the clamp. And then I used the pipe cutter to remove the kink. The instructions even told me to use a heat gun to get the pipe off the fitting. I put the clamp on the pipe, slid both onto the fitting, changed the cinch tool back to cinch, and tightened the clamp. First time, no problems, no leaks, great. I used this to make 2 1/2 joints so far, and it worked perfectly. It's a sturdy took and could do 1/2 joints all day without any problem. For 1/2 connections, it is a good tool for the price and completely adequate. Number 4. KOTTO Ratchet PEX Crimping Tool Kit. It features a remarkably efficient ratcheting mechanism and a top-tier crimping die, ensuring consistently reliable crimps every time. It's perfect for a wide range of applications. This kit meets ASTM F2098 standards and works with stainless steel clamps from any brand. It handles PEX connection from 3/8 to 1, and even cinches hose clamps. The tool comes pre-adjusted, so you can start working right away. It also includes a calibration tool and a convenient storage bag to keep everything organized. It expertly removes clamps from pipes, allowing for reuse of pipe fittings. This saves you money and time on the job. This kit includes the crimping tool, a PEX cutter, 21 2" clamps, 10 3/4" clamps, a calibration tool, and an upgraded storage bag for easy transport. What we like. This tool offers a remarkably efficient ratcheting mechanism for reliable crimps and is compatible with various clamps. It also includes a handy storage bag and calibration tool. If you value precision and organization in your work, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. Worked like a charm. I keep it in the camper with an extra length of PEX hose so I can promptly address any water leak issues while out in the sticks. The cutting tool sliced through the 1/2 PEX pipe like it was butter. The lightweight tool was also able to trim off 1/8 of the PEX without slipping if you keep a steady hand. The crimps were clean and did not disengage until the crimp was complete. This tool was a fraction of the cost of the recommended tool, and for my DIY usage, I figured would work fine. It has not disappointed. Did everything I needed it to. Coming with the cutter and clamps was a bonus as well. Number 3. iCRIMP PEX Pipe Crimping Tool Kit. This kit makes connecting PEX pipes a breeze. It's designed for ease of use and efficiency, saving you time and effort. It meets the ASTM F1807 standard, ensuring reliable and safe connections every time. You can trust it for professional-grade results. This tool is designed to fasten PEX pipe to brass or poly fittings using copper crimp rings. It's perfect for various pipe sizes. It's smaller and lighter than previous models, but it delivers the same crimping power. You get professional performance without the bulk. The comfortable grips minimize user fatigue, allowing you to work longer without discomfort. It's built for comfort and efficiency. The kit includes everything you need: a 1-inch crimper, jaws for various pipe sizes, 1, 2, 3, 8, and 3, 4 inch, a gauge, and a spanner. Everything is neatly organized for easy access. What we like. It's smaller and lighter than other crimpers, but still provides the same pressure. The comfortable grips minimize fatigue. If you need a portable and user-friendly tool for smaller PX projects, this is a great option. What people say. The tool is incredibly user-friendly. The jaw release mechanism is smooth and efficient, making it a cinch to switch between different pipe sizes. I was particularly impressed with the quality of the crimps produced by this tool. They were even, secure, and met all the necessary standards. Crimper tool itself works very well. Very good leverage. My wife easily crimped fittings while I set up next in line. This kit includes the clamp cutter, works very well. The crimper itself is well built. Over the dozen or so fittings I used it in, the various size hose crimp adapters lock in easily, hold securely, and are easily swapped. Number 2. iCRIMP Angle PEX Crimping Tool. This tool makes connecting PX pipes a breeze. Its compact design and smooth mechanism ensure quick, secure connections every time. It's perfect for both 1 2-inch and 3 4-inch PX pipes. It securely crimps copper rings onto your PX fittings. It's compatible with many leading brands of PX fittings and crimp rings. You can use it with confidence knowing it meets industry standards. The included gauge lets you easily check the security of each connection. This ensures a reliable and leak-free system. Its angled head design makes it easy to reach even the tightest spaces. No more struggling to get to those hard-to-reach connections. The smooth mechanism requires minimal force, making the job easier on your hands. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. It meets the ASTM F1807 standard for PX plumbing tools, ensuring quality and safety. You can trust it for all your PX plumbing needs. What we like. Its angled head provides easy access to tight spaces. There are no loose parts or adjustments needed. If you frequently work in confined areas, this tool's design will save you time and effort. What people say. They came calibrated, so that's a huge plus. Working great in small areas. I have to fix water lines for meters in new construction and it helps wonders, but yet to have a fail crimp, it's great. These live up to my Zern crimper's ability. The pipe cutter, included, was better than my bought cutter, and in fact I like it much better. Number 1. iCRIMP PEX-A Expander Tool Kit. This kit makes expanding PX pipes quick and easy. It's fully compatible with leading brands like KOTTO Pro PX and Wurzbo. The 3 expansion heads are precision-made for accurate expansion. They're built from durable, high-strength steel with a chrome-plated finish for weather resistance. It features self-rotating heads. This ensures smooth, even expansion and prevents damage to the pipe's interior. The lightweight aluminum alloy body makes it easy to use, even in tight spaces. The spring steel cone is chrome-plated for superior corrosion resistance. Comfortable, ergonomic handles with non-slip grips reduce hand fatigue during use. Get the job done efficiently and comfortably. This kit includes everything you need: 3 expansion heads for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1-inch pipes, and a PX cutter. It's ready to use right out of the box. What we like. The auto-rotating heads prevent damage to the pipe, and the lightweight design and ergonomic handles reduce fatigue. If you value precision and comfort during your work, this is the best choice for you. What people say. Simple manual tool that has a rotating head to make it easier to expand PX in almost any orientation. The tool works great, but I learned something about PEX-A in general. You must rotate the tool while you expand the pipe. Only true professional way to do PET plumbing. PEX-A doesn't restrict water volume and a best practices way of doing plumbing. This auto rotates and is pretty simple to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.